The Allahabad Museum has a rich and representative collection of the works of Kshetrinath Mazumdar, one of the doyens of Bengal school art. The Allahabad Museum has 8 of the master's best paintings, which depict the theme of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the Bhakti cult which was espoused by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and celebrated in the paintings of Kshetrinath Mazumdar. The paintings are made in watercolor wash technique, in which the spirituality of the paintings, the spirituality of the theme is brought out by the thin film of watercolor, and the whole impression is that of very fine painting on tile, as if he has brought out the ethos of the bhajan and kirtan celebrated in the bhakti movement by especially depicting elongated arms and legs and torsos of the dancing bodies.
As you know that today we are celebrating the 125th birth anniversary of a great painter, a painter of par excellence, known as Kshetrinath Mazumdar, one of the pioneers of Bengal School of Art and a great painter of Bengal School of Art who used to live in this great place of Sangam, Allahabad. And he happened to be the professor of fine arts who for the first time initiated the course of fine arts in Allahabad University. So it is a great privilege for Allahabad Museum to celebrate and commemorate the painter and a great painter of all time, Kshetrinath Mazumdar. And here in Allahabad Museum, as you all know, that we have got the largest collections of Bengal School of Art painting, especially of the 2 stalwarts who very much lived in Uttar Pradesh. One of them is obviously Asit Kumar Haldar, of whose 125th birth anniversary we celebrated 2 years back, and today we are celebrating another Bengal School of Art painter, Kshetrinath Mazumdar. And here in this gallery we have shown one of his finest paintings, which is displayed here, and we have got 7 to 8 wonderful paintings executed by him, and all are pertaining to the theme of Bhakti cult, because he was very much influenced by the Gaudiya Vaishnava cult, or the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Mirabai, and all the Bhakt. And that is why Abanindranath Tagore, his mentor and the Guru, the founder of Bengal School of Art, called him as the Bhakta Silpi, an artist who has dedicated his life in painting the Bhakti themes and the Bhaktas of Vaishnava cult. So here, on this wonderful occasion, we have the privilege, Allahabad Museum has the privilege to commemorate and celebrate the contributions of Kshetrinath Mazumdar here in the Allahabad Museum. And I hope that the art generation, the artists of this generation, will definitely be inspired by the great works of Kshetrinath Mazumdar.